Welcome back to another video. This is CoverAll Joe, and today's video we're working on the Lexus LS400. From this to this, a set of wheels and suspension swapped over from my 1995 LS400. I finally got my 95 out of storage, brought it back here to the shop, and since it has transmission problems, I went ahead and swapped over all the suspension, coilovers, adjustable arms, and the wheels to the 2000, just so I can enjoy her, have her sitting nice on better wheels, because you know I don't ride stock. Plans I got for this one, plans I got for the 95, so stay tuned. So today, all of this is mostly time lapse of swapping the suspension, so enjoy. Well, in these Lexus, we have to start off by removing the rear seats, the top half at least. Got a few bolts hidden behind the leather. Once you remove the top part of the seat or the backrest, you lift up the back tray, and there you have the speakers, and of course the top of the shocks. So the idea is to remove all the suspension parts, including the suspension arms, the coilovers, and the brake rotors. Ever since this Lexus was giving me transmission problems, I just had it in storage. So I was trucking, I really didn't need it. But now that I got a newer body Lexus LS400, what I always wanted to do is swap. Just put all that I already have on the 95 to the 2000, and we got big plans for the 95. So here I'm pretty much just removing the suspension arms, the camber and toe. Got the chocks out, or the coilovers. Did the same on both sides. I'm ready to start the front side. Oh, the next day, preparing for the front removal. The front's easier than the rear. It's just the 3 top nuts in the strut, cap, hat, or the top of the coilover. To make it easier, you can go ahead and unbolt the top bolt joint so the whole assembly just falls forward, and once you have the coilover loose, it'll just pop right out. And of course, since we're here, let's clean them up a little bit. Now prepping the newer Lexus. Repeating the same procedure, we'll take out the old suspension or the stock suspension parts, and we're just gonna swap them over to the old one so we can have it rolling. at least, until I get it fixed. Same procedure. Once you got suspension loose, you can remove the stock struts and replace them with the newer coilovers. Very simple. Here we're installing the toe and camber suspension arms, swapping out the brake rotors, the brand new, barely used them in the 95, and they have the nice cross pattern, nice slotted pattern. Don't like the drill one. They're just they have too much weak points. And I also like the look of these. Well, again, the rear end wrapped up here. So I lowered enough, but I wanted a little more. So after all this, I did tweak it a little more, give it a little more camber, but I'm having clearance issues with the fenders and the quarter panel, so I have to roll those fenders and roll the quarter panel for a future video. Now here we're working on the front end. Once again, very simple. Same deal, 3 nuts on top, loosen up the top ball joint, remove the old suspension, and install a new suspension. And repeat on both sides. Pretty much it. So the whole idea is to get this Lexus nice and low, looking pretty, looking cool. Got big plans for it as well for the future, for the near future. All I gotta say is I'm not gonna stay static. But for now, just reuse what we already had, what was already proven on the other Lexus, on this newer Lexus, so I can enjoy it. Still need to tweak it and adjust and do adjustments on the camber and toe. But like I said, we're just gonna keep it nice and simple just for now. Now the 95, I mentioned it before in my other videos. Got big plans for it. Something a little different. Many have tried what I'm planning to do, but I'm gonna give it a shot anyways. And here we go. This is the initial stance without any adjustments, but like I said, I did do a little more adjustments afterwards. And here you have a car wash clip. Enjoy.